NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. This means that those works of art that are paraded around have hidden in them a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data that is stored on a ledger that uses blockchain technology to establish proof of ownership. They are a set of valuable digital assets, just like regular physical art. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. Today we'll be talking about NFTs and how you can get all the information to make the most of them. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. NFTs are similar to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in that they utilize the blockchain network to store data. However, NFTs are very unique and can't be exchanged, signifying the non-fungible attribute. The file holds valuable data that takes it above the level of regular currencies. Any kind of easily reproduced digital file can be stored as an NFT to identify the original copy, like photography, art, music, videos, tweets, and even memes. NFTs can be made from any unique object that can be suited digitally. They're like regular collector's items, like a painting or a vintage action figure, but instead of buying a physical item, you're instead paying for a file and proof that you own the original copy. The unique identity and ownership of an NFT are verifiable only through the blockchain ledger. They were initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain, but other blockchains, including Flow and Bitcoin Cash, now support them. Whether the original file is a JPEG, MP3, GIF, or anything else, the NFT that identifies its ownership can be bought and sold just like any other type of art. And the price is largely set by market demand, just like regular works of art as well. If you wandered into a gift shop of an art gallery, you'd find a number of replicated prints of famous masterpieces. Well, there are some NFTs that act the same way. There are parts of the blockchain that are totally valid, but they wouldn't hold the same value as the original. NFTs come with a license to the digital asset it points to, but this doesn't automatically confer copyright ownership. The copyright owner may reproduce the work, and the NFT owner gains no royalties. NFTs have been having their way among artists, gamers, and brands across the spectrum of culture. In fact, it seems every day brings a new player to the NFT marketplace. For artists, stepping into the NFT space adds another possibility for selling art and provides fans with a way to support it. NFT art ranges from small, quick-to-make gifts to more ambitious works. For instance, the Rainbow Cat was sold by Nyan Cat for $690,000. Also, NFTs are shaking up the concept of in-game purchases. Up until now, any digital asset that is bought within a game still belonged to the game company. That is, gamers only buy them to temporarily use while playing the game. However, NFTs means that the ownership of assets has shifted to the actual buyer. That means that they can be bought and sold across the gaming platform with extra value applied based on who has owned them along the way. Whole games are now being made based entirely around NFTs. Recent data showed that in 2020, NFT sales were $340 million, and in 2021, that value reached $27 billion. That's an 80-fold increase in 1 year. Many believe that the NFT technology is going to radically change the world, even now that we're at the very beginning of a new era of the internet, the era of Web 3. Because we are early though, the technology is still a little clunky and confusing. And there are many scams flying around, especially if you don't know what to look for. This is why NFTs For All has created the world's best education platform for people who are interested in getting on this new train. NFT For All's flagship product is a masterclass on everything you need to know to understand NFTs, including why they're valuable, how they work, and why they're going to disrupt just about every single industry and business. Also provided are step-by-step PDFs and guides for how to set up your crypto wallet and how to safely buy and sell NFTs. Other courses on the market that teach about NFTs cost between $250 to $400 or more. However, this course is only $27, and the company is partnering with our channel to give it away for free to you. Giving the masterclass away for free supports the mission of the firm to bring 1 million new people into Web3 in 2022, so as to build the world's most supportive NFT community. The course was scheduled to be released between December 2021 and January 2022, so it's important for you to quickly sign up for the course while the offer lasts. That's it for today though. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Also make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes in Hollywood, perfect.